أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In yesterday class we was completed total letters, and in today's class we will start bold letters. There are 7 bold letters in Tajweed. These letters are pronounced with a heavy and strong voice. Kho, so, do, ghain, to, qaf, wa. Don't be sad, it's very easy. Group of these letters khuswa, ضغط قيض. Okay, these are arranged in a group. Okay, from خص ضغط قيض. Okay, yeah, it's today's lesson only, easy. Okay, there are 7 bold letters. It's using in Quran, in all Arabic books, Sunnah, Hadith. Bold pronounced. Okay, in letters are pronounced with a heavy and strong voice. There are 7 bold letters. Kha, swad, dad, ghain, ta, qaf, dha. Read with me. Kha, swad, dad.
Horse. Okay.
Kha,
Can you
swad,
go
dad.
again slow?
Kha, swad, dad.
Sword, dog.
Yeah, repeat it. Then I
What's
will.
the first?
Then I will tell you. Then I will tell you stop. Then stop. Otherwise, don't stop. Read. Kha, swad, dad.
Sword, dog.
Repeat it sometimes.
Sword, dog. Which is the first one, brother? I'm sorry.
Kha, swad, dad. Bold letters. You can open the Tajweed PDF.
Yes, I did. I did now.
Okay.
Yes.
Kha.
The one after.
Okay.
One after ha.
Yeah.
Ha,
Next.
sword, dog.
Next.
Ta.
Okay.
Ta.
Ghain. Before that. Before tha.
Dog.
You can. Please, you can open. Focus on the page. Open the page. No issue.
Oh.
Please.
Okay, I have this. Yes, bold letters. Oh, okay, okay. This is under the throat letters.
Under.
Oh, now I understand. I didn't understand you.
Next, bold letters. Today's our lesson, bold letters. There are 7 bold letters. These letters
Bold
are
letters.
pronounced with a heavy and strong voice. Okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah.
Please. Start.
Ha, sword, dog,
Mhm.
Ain. Yeah, Ain, Ta,
Good.
Ta,
Good.
Ta, Qaf, Da.
Wow, mashallah, very good, very good. Nice, mashallah. You are a memorization, strong memorize this, mashallah. Okay, first 3 letters, your target today. Our target, first 3 letters today. Look and read. One time with eyes, without, one time without, with closing eyes. Okay. Kha, swad, dad. Kha, swad, dad. Kha, swad, dad. Kha, swad, dad. Please.
Bismillah. Ha, sword, dog. 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 Ha, 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 sword, dog. Ha, ha. After ha, ha, sword, dog. Before ha, it's ha. Ha, sword, dog.
Please, please,
Very bold.
mashallah. Please, brother, you can please close your eyes.
I close my eyes.
Now you can start. Kho, so, dod.
Ha, sword, dog.
Huh.
Ha, sword, dog. 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 Kha, Sad, Dad. Alhamdulillah, brother. You see, Alhamdulillah, it's easy. You know why? Because I've repeated
Quran
it.
is very easy. It's bold letters. There are only 7 bold letters. Okay, these letters are pronounced with a heavy and strong voice. It's don't forget this rule. Okay, yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
It's kha sad dad. After that, ghain to qaf dwa, ghain to qaf dwa, ghain to qaf dwa. Easy.
Ghain, Ta, Dwa.
Qaf dwa.
Alhamdulillah.
Ghain to qaf dwa. Ghain to qaf dwa. If you focus in next letters after kha sad dwa to ghain to qaf dwa, and next line, that's in a blue bracket, that in group, these letters only, same letters
I
but in
see.
group,
I see it.
broken letters but in group.
I see it.
Khussa,
These are arranged in a group form.
yeah, it's broken letters for easy way. Khussa daghtin qid, simple. Khussa daghtin qid.
Who? Okay, I'm looking.
Read with me. Khussa daghtin qid. Khussa
Khussa,
daghtin
Da'tin,
qid.
Id.
Khussa
Khussa,
daghtin
Da'tin,
qid.
Id.
Khussa
Khussa,
daghtin
Da'tin,
qid.
Id.
Khussa
Khussa,
daghtin
Da'tin,
qid.
Kill. Kill.
Yeah, it's also I create for you video this for memorization. Okay, yeah, it's today's lesson is we completed alphabets of Arabic all, but we are understanding now which bold letters, which throttle letters, which lips letters. It's very very important when you will start the Quran after some time. Inshallah, you will expert, you will easy. Inshallah, for you easy that lesson.
Inshallah.
Yeah, please sometimes repeat it. Kha swad dad.
Ha, Sad, Dad.
Sometime repeat.
Ha, Sad, Dad. 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 Ha, Sad, Dad.
Khussa.
Ha, Sad, Dad.
Yeah, kha swad dad. Nice. Kha swad dad. Sometime repeat, please.
Then
Sometime.
we have
Kha swad. Ghain we will touch if you like. If you don't mind, ghain we will touch to next, inshallah, in next time.
yeah, because
Yeah,
I
it's
need to
hard.
learn in groups.
Then hard for you. It's I want very easy way. Okay, for you. In yeah, inshallah. If you understand 3 letters today, kha swad dad, then you will understand 3 billion letters, because this is using in broken style, in different shape, in different style, in Quran, Hadith, in Sunnah, in our Arabic books, also in Quran. Don't be sad, I'm with you. No issue. Kha swad dad, only 3 letters today. But not 3 letters. These are not 3 letters. It's 3 billion letters.
Billions of letters.
Billions of times this using in Quran, in Hadith, in Sunnah, in all Arabic books. Our Islam in Arabic language. If you will understand this rule of pronouncing style, then you will expert in 3 billion letters using, inshallah. Okay, please. Sometime repeat it. Kha swad dad.
Ha, Sad, Dad.
Kha swad
Ha,
dad.
Sad, Dad.
Kha swad
Ha,
dad.
Sad, Dad.
With speed.
Ha, Sad, Dad. 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 Kha sad dad. Kha sad dad. Kha sad dad. Kha sad dad. Sad dad. This in groups now, it's scaring me a little bit. I mean, because I'm trying to also look at the group letter, inshallah. But inshallah, next class we go.
Take. Okay. Please, if you is memorization completed?
Inshallah, yes, brother. This is for sure memorized, completed.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. Next, we will start in next class.
Next class, we can do